Hi folks, Steve Stack, Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. One of the many quality interior hardwood products we offer are our plank style countertops, island tops, cutting boards. So today, let's go see how it's made. Upon receiving the hardwood products, it goes through our drying process. Once it hits manufacturing, goes through the optimizing rip line, and then it winds up back in our mill shop. And in our mill shop, the plank tops will be laid up into panels, predetermined by the size that we've agreed upon. We have a certain range that we like to glue the planks up to accomplish a plank style top. You know, you may like a 3.5 inch layout more so than a 4 or a 5.5 inch layout, but we have that conversation with our salespeople prior to your top going into manufacturing, where we create drawings, engineered drawings that you give your approval on prior to going to manufacturing. Let's go for a walk and show you how it's made. Hey folks, coming through the shop today and ran into Jason. Jason does 99.9% of our glue up, our lamination. Caught him today, he was just finishing up a hickory plank style top. Jace, take us through, how do you start this? Sourcing your raw material, your blanks, and then going to your gluer?
Well, it all starts with rough material that they bring into us, and then I just pick through to get what I need. I try and keep everything pretty random and match grain the best as possible.
Keep it looking natural. You glue it up, we run it through the planer. Now this will go to the CNC, get cut to size, and then go through our wide belt sander and be sanded. At some point, if they want a decorative edge put on it, the guys will route a decorative edge on it. All right, man, I'll let you get back to work. Thanks. Whether it's a center island top in your kitchen or the entire countertop area in your kitchen, we can do that. They're custom made for you. If there are sinks involved, we offer sink cutout services. If there are corner involved, we can pre-miter, we can work to templates, or we work off of floor plan drawings. They're created for you and your home. So a lot of involvement with you and our salespeople. So if you're looking for a plank style countertop, give us a call, visit the website, and we'll start a conversation. Hey folks. Thanks for talking shop and making some sawdust with Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. If you enjoyed this episode and want more DIY project ideas and insider tips and tricks for all things hardwood, give us a like and subscribe. And be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or check out BairdBrothers.com. Until next time,